Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to sign up to your Google Docs on your mobile phone. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now here you can see the option of sign in. Simply tap on it. Now you can choose the Google account as per shown, or you can simply tap on to select another account right here. Then choose one Google account that you want to create the Google Docs. Now here you can see you have been signed in on the Google Docs using your Google account. And that's it. This is how you can sign up to Google Docs using your Google account. It is a very easy and simple process, right? Now you can edit and create documents using Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.